All right, let's unbox JoyQR from AppSumo. Look at this sleek package. Super excited to dive in. Opening the box, first impressions, modern, clean branding. Here's the JoyQR dashboard, bright, intuitive interface. Okay, let's see what makes JoyQR stand out. JoyQR promises custom QR codes, link pages, analytics. Perfect for marketers, small businesses, content creators. Let's create a QR code. So simple. Just a few clicks. Choosing colors, shapes, and adding my logo. Love the options. Previewing the QR code looks professional and unique. Now let's test the link in bio feature. Setting up my bio page, drag and drop, super easy. Adding social links, website, even a shop button. Customizing layout and colors really makes it pop. Checking analytics. Wow, detailed stats for every QR scan. I can track location, device, and engagement rates. This is powerful for understanding my audience. Switching between QR codes and bio pages seamlessly. No coding needed, just creativity and a few clicks. I love how fast I can update everything. JoyQR saves me time and boosts my marketing. Let's compare with other QR tools I've used. JoyQR's customization blows others out of the water. Analytics are way more in-depth than basic QR apps. Link in bio pages are a game changer. I can connect all my content in one place. Perfect for Instagram, TikTok, or business cards. Sharing my QR code, instant engagement from followers. Tracking real-time performance is so motivating. I feel in control of my marketing strategy. JoyQR's interface is beginner-friendly and efficient. No technical headaches, just results. Let's look at pricing. AppSumo offers an amazing deal. Lifetime access for a fraction of regular price. Honestly, this is a steal for marketers. I recommend grabbing JoyQR before the deal ends. If you want better engagement, this is it. Small businesses can track campaigns easily. Content creators can boost their link clicks. Marketers get actionable insights, not just numbers. JoyQR's design options help you stand out. Analytics let you tweak strategies on the fly. Link in bio pages drive more traffic. All features work smoothly together. I haven't found any major downsides yet. Just remember to set up your analytics correctly. That way, you get the full benefit. I'm genuinely impressed by JoyQR's flexibility. It's now part of my daily marketing toolkit. If you're on AppSumo, check out JoyQR ASAP. Don't miss out on the best QR code deal. Ready to upgrade your marketing? JoyQR is my pick. Thanks for watching my JoyQR unboxing and review. Drop questions below. I'll answer everything. Hit like if this helped your marketing. See you in the next review. Happy creating.